Hey guys, it is Cal, and for today's video, I thought it would be so fun to share with you guys how to give yourself a tooth gem at home. So I've been wearing tooth gems about on and off for 2 years because they do fall off, and I'm obsessed with them. It's so easy to apply. So we're going to be using the Gemzeez original DIY temporary tooth gems kit. This is the iridescent box. So I have purchased tooth gem kits from Gemzeez many times. They were so sweet. They sent me the iridescent one. So I can't wait to try it because I haven't tried their iridescent crystals. So when you open the box, everything comes packaged really perfect. And it just looks nice. I love their stickers. You can see one right here. I put one on my Hydro. Where's my Hydro? I'll show you. I have an old one of their Gemzeez sticker on my water bottle. I love that one. The instructions are always on the back, and everything you need to put on your tooth gem is in here. So in the past, I have put on 2 tooth gems on 2 different teeth, or 2 gems on 1 tooth. You can honestly do anything. Stella is going crazy. Do you hear her barking? She's a mad woman. Okay, the tooth I'm gonna do it on is this one right here. And we start by having your lip not touch it. This is the cleansing gel. 2 drops, let it absorb. And here is the bonding. Now I get the light. I can't talk. Whoa, my mouth is so dry right there. Okay, I just took out the cotton ball. And I'm obsessed with the iridescent one. It's so cute. Fun fact, I have actually eaten more than a few of these. And it's been so fun. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you loved it. I did have to put my tooth gem back on, so I thought it'd be so fun to film the process for you guys. I'll make sure to leave a link down below for Gemzeez Instagram and where you can shop for a starter pack and you can have your own tooth gem. But I love you guys. Have the best day. Bye.